During the hot days of summer, we recommend brewing fresh coffee directly over ice to keep your beverage tasting fresh and delicious for hours. If you're used to making iced coffee by refrigerating leftovers from the previous day and serving it over ice, you're in for a real taste treat. And if you're like us, you'll never go back. ExtractMoJo will calculate a recipe for coffee concentrate brewed fresh directly over ice, where the ice is an element of the brewing formula. Mojo computes the amount of ice required to brew the correct concentration and extraction yield, and simultaneously to melt exactly 98% of the ice, so that the fresh brewed concentrate may be used immediately at the end of the 5-minute brew. Simply pour 8 ounces of fresh brewed iced coffee concentrate into a 16-ounce cup with 8 ounces of ice. Iced coffee mode works with virtually all commercial brewers and many home brewers. Start by selecting Iced Coffee mode using the Beverage Type drop-down menu. If necessary, open Preferences and select Start by entering Brew Water and close Preferences. We use a typical 1-gallon brewer in this example that has been set for liters, and start by setting up a typical half-gallon batch using 1.89 liters of brew water. Note that ExtractMoJo selects the default concentration of 3.8% TDS, so be sure to drag the beverage strength slider to 3.8% if some other value has been displayed. Now, select Weights mode in the main application window and select Ounce Weight for all units in the data fields. ExtractMoJo computes the required portions. Place 42 ounces of ice in an open-top beverage pitcher and 9.4 ounces of freshly ground coffee in the brew basket, and brew directly over ice. Suggested brewer settings are 15% pre-infusion, 50-second pre-wet delay, followed by approximately 3.5 to 4 minutes pulse brew to completion. Total brew time for a coarse grind will be approximately 5.5 to 6 minutes. Mojo also computes the finished batch size as 89 ounces, so this batch will serve 11 16-ounce servings. Note, the maximum batch size will be limited by the maximum amount of ground coffee the brew basket will handle without overflowing. Serve 8-ounce weight of concentrate over 8-ounce weight of ice in a 16-ounce cup, or 10-ounce coffee, 10-ounce ice in a 20-ounce cup. Note, the extraction yield has been set to 19% for iced coffee to emphasize the natural sugars in the coffee and to err on the sweeter side of extraction yield.